We're placing the block at the end of the jib halyard tensioning system because the line has to pass through the block, and then we have to put a thimble around that. That's not right. We gotta do the gotta put this through there. It's got to go through the other shackle because it has to be shackled. This has to be shackled onto there. Okay. Now, just go through the elementary procedure of taking a shackle, circlip off, add another shackle to this one. Whichever way, I'm not sure. Oh, this has to go be pinned through the tang, which screws into the bolt ultimately. Oh, I went down in there by mistake. It's all part of getting a mechanical advantage on a small boat jib halyard because they don't have winches. This might need some things in there, some sandwiches in between there. Keep it pulling straight. So stop video. We're gonna make a modification.